want to boost your energy, improve your mood, boost your immunity, enjoy creativity and focus, strengthen your heart, then this power walk exercise is what you need to get started and even throughout your day. Welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited you're here. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can have fitness goodness coming your way every single week, so that you can become the best version of yourself, fitter, healthier, and happier. And so in 5 minutes, you're just gonna have a swell time power walking, and you can do this anytime of the day, wherever you are. Just make sure you're putting on proper running shoes to ensure that you walk properly. So if you're ready, I am ready, and we'll be starting in a bit. Just a little way to just warm up your body. And we're starting in about 5 minutes. And first thing we're going to do is just a power walk, okay? Power walk. Ready? Let's go. Good job. So walk. You know when you used to be in school and you did the march past, for those of us in Africa? You know, you just go the left, right. You know that feeling? Okay, keep going. Almost there. Yeah. Keep going. And after now, we're just going to go side to side. Make sure you're swinging your hands back and forth. That's it. And side to side. So go. That's it. Tap. Beautiful. 2. Good job. Make sure you're just pulling in and back. Remember to pull your belly button in towards your spine. And keep going. Fantastic. Beautiful. And after now, we're going to do the power walk again. Are you ready? Good job. Inhale, exhale. Stay strong. This is for 5 minutes. Ready? Let's go. Walk, walk, walk. Beautiful. Good job. How are you feeling? Yeah. Fantastic. Power walking. You know, you can actually use the dumbbells if you want to get more from this power walk. Right? Yeah. So now, next thing we're going to do, we're going to do knee raises. Okay, so lifting one knee up and then the other up. Ready? Let's go. That's it. Good. Yeah. That's what you get for power walking, in it. Beautiful. Yes. Keep going. Fantastic. And then we go back to power walking. Yeah. How you feeling? Keep going. Make sure you're pulling your belly button into your spine and power walking. Let's go. That's it. Woo! Beautiful. And next thing we're going to do, we're going to walk forward and back after this power walk. Ready? 15 seconds to go. Keep going. How you feeling? Feeling good? Make sure you're swinging your arms back and forth. Enjoy yourself. All right, so forward and back. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, forward. That's it. Yeah. Good job. Woo! Fantastic. You're doing great. Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah. Beautiful. Good job. Almost there. And we're power walking again. I'm sure you're feeling good already. Ready? Power walk. Good job. Woo! Yeah. Fantastic. Keep going. To the song. Woo! To the beat. That's it. Woo! Beautiful. Almost there. Fantastic. So this is kind of faster, right? We're gonna step side to side again. Ready? Let's go. Good job. Now you can raise your legs up. Beautiful. That's it. Fantastic. Keep going. Beautiful. That's it. Good job. Woo! Keep going. Next, we're going to lift our hands up, pumping up to the ceiling. Ready? Good job. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, forward. Go. 1, 2, 3. How you feeling? And 1, 2, 3, 4. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. 1, 2, 3. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. 1, 2. Power walk. 2, 3, 4, 5. Set side. 1, 2, 3. Up. 1. You know. 2. And 1, 2. Good. 1, 2. Again. 1, 2. Yeah. 1, 2. And forward march. Forward. Up. Forward. Up. Forward. Up. Forward. Up. And side. And side. Extra punches. And work it out. Good job. And there you have it. In 5 minutes. Simple and short. I'm feeling so energized. I don't want to stop. And I know you too. So this is one thing you can do every 2 hours, okay? A great way to get yourself walking for the entire day. Keeping your energy levels up, keeping your heart healthy, enjoying more energy, boosting your immunity, and the list is endless. So I'll see you next time. I want to keep walking, okay? But from me to you, it's bye for now. Mwah. Yeah. Woo.